Hey everyone, can you hear the W8s in the background? That is somebody's on YouTube, the Storm Chaser. But why am showing my Dover Impulse directional lanterns? That's because we're doing Brian, we're doing the wiring on my Dover Impulse directional lanterns. That came from the arena at the Bob Devaney Sports Center at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln on city campus next to the Innovation Campus. So we're gonna do how-to wiring on my Dover Impulse directional lanterns from Andrew, made by YouTube user Diesel Doocy. So here's the computer to the wiring. Let's like YouTube user MSJ 1961. Let's move back a little bit. There we go. Now watch this. Bring the computer into the wire. Which one's going to be? Which one's going to be the arrow? We'll have to find out. Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's this way. All right. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's the up arrow. Listen, Brian. Listen. Yeah, it's supposed to be a little bit wired up. Yeah. All right, going up. Going up. Going up. Going up. Okay, Brian, that's the up arrow. Okay. The next thing is, the last but not least, the down chime. This, right in the middle. Alright, let's listen. Here we go. Oh, there, it come up, a little bit come up. Listen. Going down. Alright, Brian. That's going to be it for now. For how to wiring on my Dover Impulse directional lanterns. Gave me from Starts to the Elevators. Okay. Okay. that's going to be it for how to wiring videos on my playlist. With so that being said, the video's over, but it doesn't have to be. You can also watch more, and you know what to do. That's right. Click the video up here, and more video up here, and the video down here, and of course, don't forget to subscribe and light up that bell. Until next time, bye y'all.